if I say I love you to you, then will you accept me or not?
Sorry,
Listen.
sorry. No.
What happened?
Hi.
So how are you? Are you okay? Not okay? Where are you from?
I'm from New Zealand.
You from New Zealand? Wow. Hey, come. I wanna see you. You are from New Zealand. Wow.
Oh yeah, I was.
Okay, it's first time I meet a girl from New Zealand. It's first time. Okay, so what's your name?
My name's Aya.
So your name is Aya, right?
Mm,
So nice to meet you, Aya.
nice to meet you too.
Thank you. Thank you. So Aya, can I ask you some question if you don't mind? Okay. So are you married or single?
Hmm?
Are you married or single? Why are you laughing?
I'm I'm single. Why?
Okay, nothing.
Why?
I wanna just hear that. Who is language?
English.
English. But I thought another language. So
Modi.
what?
I'm just chilling. I'm chilling. What are you doing? Modi. Mari.
Maori. Okay. So can we speak?
Yeah.
Can we speak Maori?
No.
Okay.
I can say hello.
Okay. So what is your
Kia ora.
profession? What do you do for your living?
Huh?
What do you do for your living?
Like I work.
What?
I
So
have a job.
you have a job, government job, or
I just have one job.
okay. How about your salary?
So no, I'm not sharing that.
You can't say that.
Um,
You can't say that. So how old are you? Your age?
I am 29.
29. I'm 28. 28.
You're
Hey,
28.
yeah.
Bye. You was a baby.
No.
Nah. What country are you from?
Wait. I don't have any baby. I'm still single. You are 29, but you still single. Why?
I know. Why?
You looking so beautiful.
Oh, thanks. You're too kind. Thank you so
So
much. I
I
appreciate
thought.
that.
So I thought you have so many boyfriends.
Stop assuming.
No. I wanna see you because you looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Your hair, your hairstyle is also so beautiful. Do you know that? Can you pull your hair?
No, no.
Can you pull your hair?
No, thank you. Not right now.
Uh, just one. I want to see that. I want to see that. Please. I requested you. I
Oh,
request.
what? You better not screenshot, are they?
No.
Do anything nasty with my.
No.
No,
No.
I'm
I wanna
kidding.
just see you how many hair.
Or not even.
No. I wanna just realize that how many hair are available in your head. So.
I got long hair,
Wow.
bro.
Yeah, you have long hair. Wow. Your nose. Your nose is looking so beautiful because it's a little bit.
Hurry.
Okay.